CNC milling machine CNC router 6091.5 kW spindle. Item specifics: CNC or not CNC. Model number CNC 6090 liters 1.5 kW 3-axis. Condition new dimension: 900 x 1200 600 mm. Engraving area: 600 x 900 mm Z-axis stroke 120 mm. Spindle motor: 1.5 kW VFD water cooling spindle 02400 R per minute. Communication interface: parallel port. Software compatibility: Mach 3, Type 3, 1 type, ArtCam, CopperCam. Linear guide rail CNC milling machine CNC router 6091.5 kW spindle motor wooden stone metal engraving machine. Introduction. The CNC router is suitable for industry, technology research, advertising design, arts creation, teaching, student project, and hobby purposes. The CNC router is designed for large area engraving work such as industrial or hobby prototype building, building model making, PCB, advertising signs, artwork, crafts, aircraft models, RC model parts, etc. So, you can do engraving work at office or home. In addition, it can be upgraded to be installed a rotational axis. Thanks for watching. More details check in the description.